Hi, this is Sir Moy again, and for today's lesson, we're going to discuss about the sum of infinite geometric series. So, let's go. So, to get the sum of infinite geometric series, we have a formula. S infinity is equal to A sub 1 over 1 over R. Yung A sub 1, yung first term, yung R common ratio. So, tingnan muna natin, geometric ba to? Para malaman natin kung geometric yan, yun yung aalamin na para magamit itong formula na to. Hanapin natin yung common ratio. Para makita yung common ratio, divide lang natin yung second term sa first term. 16 divided by 64. Greatest common factor nila ay 16. 16 divided by 16, that is 1. 64 divided by 16, that is 4. Next, 4 over 16. Greatest common factor nila ay 4. 4 divided by 4, that is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Then 1/4. Ibig sabihin yung common ratio natin is 1/4. So, ang kailangan lang naman natin first term at saka common ratio. May first term na tayo na 64. Okay, proceed na tayo. So, lagyan na natin sa formula. So, S infinity is equal to A sub 1, which is 64, over 1 minus, ano yung R? The common ratio natin is 1/4. 1/4. Yan. Then, solve. 64 divided by, pag ganito class, multiply nyo lang. 4 times 1, 3. Then, minus 1, that is, 4 times 1, 4. Minus 1, that is 3. Tapos, copy the denominator, 4. Since division to, ganito lang yan, magiging 60, copy 64, tapos i-multiply natin siya sa reciprocal ng 3/4, which is 4 over 3. Reciprocal means babalik rin lang natin. So, 64 times 4, that is 256 over 3. Copy lang yung denominator, S infinity. Ayan. So, pag dinivide mo to class, ano yan? May decimal point. Wait, check ko. 256 divided by 3, that is 85.33333. Kaya fraction na lang yung kinuha natin. So, depende sa teacher nyo kung ano yung bibigay sa inyo. Pero sa mga estudyante ko, usually fraction. Madali lang, di ba? That's all. Bye.